What about the future? Can you tell me a little bit about Softing's strategy and its markets?
Sure. We want to use our strong technology expertise to develop and build products that can be used for device and machine connectivity. We believe at Softing that the topics like predictive maintenance, and asset monitoring will become increasingly relevant in the industry, which is why data is needed. And we want to make sure that this data is available. We want to enable customers to get the data out of their devices, out of their machines, to do useful analytics, to increase the plant and the instrument efficiency.
Okay, great. Now maybe last question, because when we talk about OT, IT, it seems like these are two different worlds which sometimes do not talk that much. Some have a hardware preference, some a software. What does Softing do here to tailor to these groups?
I think one of the biggest challenge that we observe at the moment is that customers coming from the OT world typically don't have a knowledge and understanding or much understanding of the IT part, right? And users or stakeholders coming from the IT side, they have lacks in understanding the OT world. But seeing the trend that these two worlds grow together, we want to be kind of the, I would say, bridge builder between these two worlds. And Softing is in a unique position because we have OT expertise, 40 plus years of experience in this area, but also at the same time we have the capacity and experience from the IT side, and we bring this together and create value for our customers.
Okay, great. So it sounds like you're positioned like a spider in the web in the ecosystem to bring solutions to the customers. Thank you, Thomas Hilz, and I wish you a successful year.